smells like there is lemongrass in this. By the way,
precious cargo, be careful with my heart.
Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today we're going to, or I am going to, try out the ANNABELLE'S Perfect Blend Ayurvedic Cleansing Conditioner. If you saw my last video, you know I did a curl rod set with no leave-in and my hair was dry, okay? So now I just, want to wash my hair and give it a little bit of moisture, and I am pretty new to cleansing conditioners, or as I think of them, as a co-wash. I don't normally use co-washes. I think I have a very long ago in the beginning of my going back to natural journey, but mostly I use shampoos. I have used clays. I have tried other Ayurvedic products from ANNABELLE'S Perfect Blend, so of course I wanted to try this. So we're gonna go ahead and try this. And the hair that's now in the bun, I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair all wet and show you guys what it looks like when it first is applied to my hair. I may put in a clip of me rubbing it in at my kitchen sink. I don't know, we'll see. If not, I'll show you what it looks like just sitting in my chair. So if you haven't already, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to this channel. I appreciate all the new subscribers that are coming in. I sincerely hope you're here for the things that I offer, not just subscribing just to be subscribing. You might as well watch the whole video. I mean, you're watching shows on TV, you're listening to shows, and you're not skipping through them, are you? I don't know. I mean, if that's what you want to do, that's what you want to do. But I appreciate you just watching it from beginning to end like I do in every video I watch. And I stay on YouTube, okay? So, enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and get into this. All right. So today we're going to go ahead and try out this ANNABELLE'S Perfect Blend Ayurvedic Cleansing Conditioner. As you can see, it's in an 8-ounce jar. The label, it's kind of hard to see. Everything looks like just a printer mistake, but from what I can see here, direction says apply to wet hair, massage into hair and scalp, rinse thoroughly. And I'll go ahead and list some of the ingredients on the side of the screen here, but let's take a look at it. Look at that goodness. Feel it all the way to the top. Nice and creamy, very creamy. No chunks. Everything is well blended. And it's actually a little bit thinner of a texture, as I don't know, I was assuming, I don't know, that's what you get for assuming. So I thought it would be like super duper ultra thick, but it's not. It's thick, but you can still move it around very easily, just like a lotion. And as you can see, it smooths in just like a lotion, but this is going to cleanse the hair, and I am looking forward to give me a moisturizing wash. All right. It smells really good as well. It smells nice and fresh. The last look at that goodness before I try it on my hair.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right but sometimes you fall. 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 Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason.
So as you saw, it didn't lather up. I was able to detangle with it, which means it has lots of slip, and I mean it has lots of slip. I had no issues detangling. So I think this is something that could be used multiple different ways. It could be used as a co-wash. It could be used as a pre-poo. It could even be used when you take your wig off and you've just loosened up the lace glue or the lace spray or the lace gel you use, and you have a little bit of residue on your edges. You don't want that to carry over into your next install, so you clean away your edges, just like we clean our face, and we should be cleaning our edges when we wash our makeup off and everything. That's something you can use just to gently clean it away. I got ideas. My hair is soft, smells good, and while I was washing, I felt like I was smelling ginger too. And it could be because I've been cooking with a lot of ginger lately. Lemongrass. It's a nice, pleasant aromatherapy-like scent. Let me actually cut on the light. That would help. Lights on, lights off. Before I had just my bathroom light on. Now I added a ring light to it, so hopefully you can see a little bit better. Hopefully. So I think it did get some of the buildup off of my scalp. Now, is it going to give you a deep clean? No. If you suffer from dandruff like me, don't go in here thinking this is going to solve all your dandruff problems. Now, the Ayurvedic herbs in it, that will help the scalp. It has my scalp feeling good. There's no tingle or anything like that. I think this is wonderful for a midweek wash. If you're into doing midweek washes. And I do feel like I got a lot out of my hair. But anyway, what I suggest is, of course, like I normally do with most of Annabelle's Perfect Blends products. I love them all so far. And if you're not sure I know what I'm talking about, make sure you go ahead and check out my Annabelle's Perfect Blend playlist right here on my channel to see the list of products I have tried. So if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, turn on your notifications, give this video a thumbs up. Come on, y'all. As many of you who are looking at these Annabelle Perfect Blend videos, I need more thumbs up, so I appreciate that. And leave me a comment. Other than that, I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.
But sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.